At that pile of 300 Savage. Well, $48.99. But here's something new. And got quite a pile of Winchester 7.6251. Not bad at $23.99, but they're full metal jackets. But impressive that they even have them. A couple of them, and quite a few more of them. But you know, not cheap by any means. That's the Savage. That's impressive, but the price is impressive too. They'll sit on them for a while. But you know, if people realize that that's 308, I think you'd sell a few of them. You know, $23.99, not too bad. But I got a whole ammo can full.